a full-feature, all-in-one design and mock-up engine featuring a huge library of over 7,000 ready-to-use customizable design templates perfectly sized for all the popular social platforms. Any design that you can imagine, you can create in minutes from scratch or with our ready-to-use templates in any language. This is unlike any other graphic design and animation app out there. So check out the first to market features included below on this page to be blown away. The second app is the groundbreaking 3D live motion photo animator technology that lets you transform boring still photos into dynamic moving visuals with stunning effects to wow your audiences and stand out from the crowd. Dynamic, moving animated visuals are proven to get up to 10 times more engagement than regular still photos. So this is perfect to grab more eyeballs, get more clicks, and slash your ad costs by half. The third app is our game-changing magic object removal tool. Selectively remove any objects, people, or any element that you choose from your photos within seconds. Accurate object removal technology like this is not available in any other app, especially for such a low one-time price. And the fourth app is the ultimate AI-powered one-click background removal tool to easily erase backgrounds from any photos within seconds. This powerful machine learning technology auto-detects the edges and objects in your photos and automatically erases the background. You never have to select the object or manually draw borders around the objects like other competing apps. Also included is the most comprehensive and versatile multi-layered slick image editor technology, the fifth app in the package. Edit your photos like the professionals without any complicated apps. Edit, resize, enhance, or add filters to turn blurry and unappealing photos into stunning visuals ready to print or publish online. And the next app included is our famous artificial intelligence logo creator. This logo design app is unlike anything that you've ever seen before. You can now bulk create 50 logo variations for any brand in 3 easy steps. Just type in your brand name, select a logo style, and let the machine learning AI generate 50 customizable logo designs in a flash. You have total control over the customization process. Select the logo you like and customize the colors, fonts, and shapes. And with this all-inclusive design technology, your customers will be able to replace multiple complicated design apps, expensive freelancers, and save thousands on subscription fees.